2011 Chevy Tahoe 5.3L V8. Really beautiful car. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it was into a single. Got the dreaded third converter. Then we did a muffler delete, 3-inch, right there. And continued it. We took the resonator off and put a 4-inch black tip right there. So we took the muffler, did a muffler and resonator delete basically. And he threw them away. So I was gonna show them to you guys, sorry. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Park, give it gas. Again. 107. Go ahead and back it up. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Chevy Tahoe. Beautiful. That thing idle. Sounds really good.